Hello, YouTube. I just want to take a moment here before the footage starts to thank everybody for your continued support both here on the YouTube and on my Twitch stream, which, if you haven't done so, you can find right there. I've got more videos coming for the YouTube in the future. Don't worry about that. I just had a little slowdown because of, the holiday season and everything else going on in my life. For those of you that don't know, my birthday is actually December 26th, which, as you could imagine, might not be the best time to plan birthday activities because, well, competing with Jesus for birthday time, you always kind of lose that fight. But I had a fantastic birthday regardless. I spent the day streaming and gaming with my friends online. It was glorious. As a growing streamer and a growing YouTuber, watching my old videos and seeing how far I've come, getting a better setup here with lights and a better microphone, improving the way I edit videos, things like that, seeing my skills grow a little bit. It gives me hope for the future, and I can't wait to see how far this goes. And I want to thank all of you. I hope all of you had a happy holiday season and continue to have a wonderful, wonderful time here. And who's catching these hands? You are. And you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you especially. Oh! Oh my god! I heard him coming. I'm like, where is he? Right behind me. I jumped. I literally jumped in my chair, dude. Big old taser mace. Taser mace! Taser mace!
I volunteer as tribute!
I think this guy just got right in the way. He's like, I want to get shot next. What else? What else? What else? What else? Huh? Huh? I'm not paying attention. I knew it. I knew it. Come on. Funk. Funk. Oh, shit. I thought that was connected. Celerity stem. I don't like celery. Behind you.
There's 7x40 if you count the one that's in the gun.
There's a bug here, but he's like a ghost.
It's also like, why does the coyote have to have that much ammo?
Oh, he was alive!
Like,
What the hell? Hello. There he is.
Hello.
Allied destroyer.
Fucking got him, dude. Got him, dude.
Yeah, Debo, and it took me away instead.
I'm fucking nerd.
Jeez. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. All right. Defoliation tool. You can cut the trees down. Let's go. This tree out here. Just cutting down trees. Don't worry about me, boys. I'm harvesting wood.
Not the guy with half health.
Oh, that was hard. I gotta give him resupplies, but no, I don't want that shit. Okay, I'll take it back. There's a mech?
Oh, I can destroy the bushes, dude.
Destroy the bushes.
Yes.
Get haircuts.
Just a little up top. That's great. So if there's like bushes in the way, you don't like them, you can just take them out.
I don't like this breath.
These trees, get these trees out of here, dude. Amazing.
For the first person on the minigun, I'm obviously it.
Now's my time.
Yes, get him. I was doing push-ups behind you, getting shot.
Got him.
Taylor back there.
Yep. I was trying to get to him, but there's a bug breach right next to me. I'm alright.
Wait, so what if... Okay. I'm going literally full fire. Everything is fire.
Let's go, dude.
I got the torture, the sidearm pistol fire thing, and fire impact.
Launch initiated.
You got fire everything except armor.
Oh, I didn't say that. We're good, boys.
Everything except for armor. You can hear the pain in his voice. Oh.
Napalm barrage. Went down in the bug hole.
I'm trying to get out. I can't move. I'm stuck.
Oh no.
Brother. I made it. It destroyed the bug body that was
You're
pulling me
not out
down.
yet.
Oh my lord, dude. That was hot. That was a hot time. Oh, does the chainsaw open doors? Guys, the chainsaw opens the container doors. Let's go. Can the chainsaw cut down the spore spewer? Oh, these are streaker nests. I can kill the shrieker nests with the chainsaw. This is the greatest day of my life. Yeah. Let's go. Yes.
Oh my.
Yes, I killed a war strider with a chainsaw. Let's go.
That's awesome.
It worked. I don't care that I died. It worked.
Yeah, they're gonna be driving
Oh!
around patrol boat.
Can I cut down the buildings with a chainsaw?
I doubt it, but
It's getting hits, but it's not doing anything. Sad.
Are you sure? It's black. Great.
Oh, is it? Hold on. Let me keep going. Keep going.
yeah, keep doing it.
Ooh, it is damaging it. Yeah.
Please. I can't shoot everything.
For you. Ugh.
You get a black one.
Oh, I need a stim, please.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, damn, I'm about to be 34.
Oh, damn. That thing died fast, dude. That thing died quick.
That little intro termites on the bug nest. Maybe you can hear all the little bugs screaming.
Yeah.
Objective located. Southwest.
Let's get it, Barker.
Cut it down. Time to trim the tree. I'll stand up.
Yeah, did I get you through him?
Yeah.
Trim the tree.
Trim of the tree. Cut down the communication tower.
Ooh, do it.
I'm gonna.
We are need assistance.
No, I'm good.
I'm running right.
Another type.
And kablam. Where'd he go?
Flying away.
Whee!
Oh my god, look at it. Blast.
We're just about for a halt.
Sorry, what?
Is there another one? I think there's two. Yep, right there. Watch up, watch up. God damn it, hobo.
Calling down a sentry.
Oh.
Reloading.
Oh. Pretty great. Whoa!
Oh, did I get my opiate?
There it goes. Look at that.
Damn.
I love when that happens. I love when that happens. I'm gonna 500 this bitch. It's a great throw. It's a great throw. It's the best throw. They say it's a great throw.
Best throw of all time.
Fuck.
The tree disagreed.
The goddamn tree.
The goddamn tree.
Rental, I love that big sword of yours.
You like that?
I didn't
Oh!
shoot a couple of them.
Oh my god! He just punted me, dude. Well, he just slid off the side, dude. Oh, what just?
Hang on. Is he gonna shoot?
Oh
I
god!
did that last time. Did you miss that?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to use my rocket launcher on the boss. Oh well, I'll use it right here. Kaboom!
Oh, well, I'll use it here. Boom.
Oh, I blew it up with the damn rocket launcher! Let's go!
Hell yeah. Aw.
Don't touch me. I have guns. Yes! But that was a choice.
I had my pieces.
Your pieces.
My guns.
Oh.
Anyway, I started blasting. Bang!
Wow.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Damn, dude. Gun him down. I gunned him down, dude.
And just fucking destroyed him.
I pulled up my pieces. I started blasting.
I hope the orange ones scale up enough to be useful in here. Because I want to get up there. I do. Hiya. Oh my. Hiya.
Woo!
He just changed his name on Twitch to Private Desert Dog.
Dude, these guns are so fun to shoot. Like, I was unsure of them at first, but...
But they are definitely fun now. Oh damn it, I've got fire.
Oh, buddy. Gotta say, this is pretty fun. Oh, hi. You picked the wrong little banister to climb over. I'll tell you that right now, dude. Who's this down here? Who dat? You know Jimmy? Oh! You know Jimmy? Oh! Oh my god, we just left the healing area too. God damn it. This character is really nimble. But if you don't dodge one thing, you're fucking hosed. I didn't see that Mauler. Boom. He had that one downward chop move, and I'm toast. Let me check over here for stems. Yes. Let's see. Oh, hey, buddy, what's up? You want some of these? That's for you. Nope. That's for you, too. Who's down here? Got him. Oberyn holds the door. No. Hit. Come on. Surrounded over here. There we go. Come on. You want to fight? I got you. You want to come down here? I got you. That's right. Ooh, that was fun. What is that? What is this? 3 dynamite, 3 lamps, and 82 monies? Oh, brother. Let's go. There's something down there, and it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. There's something down there. It's alive. Nope. 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 Not today. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh my god. What the hell? I don't do scary games. This is why. What is it? I'm so scared, dude. What is this? Fuck. Nope, 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 nope. I'm out, I'm out, I'm out. Bye. 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 Nope, not today. Not today. Not today. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Sit down. I got that dog mid-air, dude. Let's go. Ooh, double headshot. Let's go.
From here on out, I'm going to be a hero, and I'm not going to let anyone get in my way.
Levitating.
What?
I'm a failure. After all that hard work. I'm sorry, All Might. I'm sorry, Mom. This must be why Dad left.
Am I wrong?
I mean, you're not wrong.
Make it right.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Wow.
What, is it 10 already?
Let's go. I cut off the impaler's face, bro. Let's go. Oh, man. Oh, my God. I didn't see you there. Yeah, you good. You good. Hey, can I get some ammo, bro? No, please. Please, sir. Can I have some more?
Calling in reinforcements.
We're close to the bugs. Oh, minor order exposed, but yeah, we're close to the bugs. And they're all actually pretty far along, to be honest.
I got this. Come here, nerds. Yeah.
Get over here. I don't care about your throw right now. Get over here. Dude, I'm Alright, somebody else gotta grab it. I got it.
Stun grenade! Take that,
You're
nerd.
lying.
What are you gonna do? Pick me? Nope. Let's go.
He's dead. There's a line of Devastators behind him, though. Watch out. Nope. Yeah, he was that shit. Okay.
I'm chainsawing a tank, guys.
Alright, I'm gonna do the code. Oh. Alright, Jamer's going offline. Alright, oh. There's an open position.
I got this, guys. I got this, guys.
Block going in. Good shit.
Dueling a tank with a chainsaw.
Your microcontroller's just stuck.
Let's go!
Got it, I got it.
Son of a fuck! Dude, that scavenger bug got absolutely annihilated.
Oh, I saw it, mother. Ooh. Ooh. What the
When you
fuck?
go to the side that already has
Nope.
people in it.
Hey, it said this side was full. See, now it says I can't get in that side. Now it says in this side. And win. All right.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Dickhead.
Oh, that's a lot of Ragers. That's a lot of Ragers. Why is there like 10 Ragers all of a sudden? What is this? What? Why is there like 10 Ragers? Get out of here, dude. Okay, get that third one. Quick, 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 get the third one. Okay, this one grew back. Okay, we're good. Ugh. For the sniper? Ooh, you see that? These guys aren't having a great day either. I'm doing great, though. Chamber of Calling. Look at this guy. Decapitated priest. So no head? I'm gonna get to use my new ability and go roar and hit someone with my giant bear charge move. Like this. Watch this. Roar! Dude, imagine not playing as a bear druid. That was dope. So, pulverize creates a shockwave. So pulverize. Oh my god. That's amazing. This is great. This is amazing. Let's ride. Hey guys. Oh my god. Get wrecked, dude. There. +1 skill point. Let's go. I'm gonna put it into pulverize. Hey. Stop that. Oh, come on, guys. Well, that'll teach him. Infested cottage. No, my Barker. No. No, that was a treason. No treason. I didn't want evidence of me blasting Nate in the face. There. Oh my god. Nice.
Laugh in pain.
Another vanity deflates.
All right, that's going to do it here for the December highlight reel. I thought about going back and doing a year-round highlight reel, like a best of the year 2025. However, I didn't start recording these highlight clips until about, I don't know, August or so. So I think that'll be something I try to do next year. I'll take the best of the monthly clips and I'll save those clips in a different folder because right now those other clips are gone. I didn't have the foresight to begin at the beginning of the year and start saving clips, but that will be a thing I do for next year. So if you're still around watching my clips until this next December, let me know in that video's comments that you stayed the whole year watching my stuff. Okay, folks, have a great rest of your holiday season, and I'll see you in the next one.
End of the day, let's glide away. Be cool, take it breezy, that's the chill way. Cool peace says good night. Dreams says good night. Dreams take flight. Dreams take flight. Have a good day. Have a good every way.